Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage passwords in Brave browser. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, find the Passwords and Autofill option. Click on it to open the Password Management options. A small menu will now appear. From this menu, select Password Manager. The Brave Password Manager page will now open. Here, you can manage your saved passwords and login information. You can view the websites and accounts where passwords have been saved. You can also manage your saved login information from this page. To edit or remove a saved password, open the available options next to the saved account. Before viewing or changing sensitive password information, Brave may ask you to verify your computer password or another security method. This helps protect your saved login information. You can also use the Password Manager settings to control how Brave saves and fills passwords. When managing your passwords, always keep your login information private and only save passwords on devices you trust. And that's how you can manage passwords in Brave browser. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.